And we've got an accent coach with us, and she's going to try her best with our Paddy. That's next.
New Zealanders are heading back across the Tassie again, aren't we? And inevitably, some of us are getting mocked by Australians over our accent. But what does a professional coach think about the New Zealand accent?
Kiwi.
And can we teach a Kiwi like Paddy how to sound like a proper Brit?
This will be good.
In the movies, a bad accent can be deliberate
Buongiorno.
or unintentionally awful.
I said, put the bunny back in the box.
Quick, get the gun. Somebody shoot him, shoot him.
An attempt at Irish can come off as a bit leprechaun.
Tell me you like it.
And a well-honed accent can add authenticity and power to a role.
This is it. This is our destiny.
Or be the actual joke.
What's that accent you're doing?
It's just American, standard American. American. Hello, how are you? Want a bay girl?
But a misfire can be a clanger.
I doubted everything, even my mind. I was impotent with fear.
When done right, an accent shows the versatility of a great actor.
We lost a man for you. What good is it if you leave us here to be slaughtered?
Call it the red line. It's very king of the jungle, Makuna Matata all day.
Alonso, he's into the Russians for me.
I need to find an Americano who I can trust.
All right, please welcome accent coach Sarah Valentine.
Sarah, on the project, and you've coached over 5,000 people over maybe the last 9 years you've been doing this. Yeah. Are you any good at accents yourself? Can you give us a demo maybe?
Well, I don't know. I mean, like, I suppose, it just depends on my people that I've been working with,
Can you do Irish? Can you do Irish?
Can I do an Irish accent? I could absolutely try to do an Irish accent for you, if you'd like.
That's amazing. Is it only actors you work with, or do other people want some freshen up of their accents?
I've worked with a lot of lawyers and dentists and doctors that want to, want to do public speaking and they want to sound a little bit more fancy.
Can't tell if you're being you or if you're putting
I don't know. You have to guess what the
I'm
a little bit difficult.
I'm known to have a bit of a strong Kiwi accent, and I'd like to get rid of it and look a little bit more, less rough. You said it, hey? I thought you were an accent coach. Help me out here. Could you teach me? I don't know
what accent would you like to learn? What about a bit of Scottish?
Yeah, Scottish.
Scottish. All right, so let's go for a sentence. I've written one down. My name is Paddy Gower.
My name is Paddy Gower. Hey, help me.
Not many get on the first try, do they? Not many get on the first try, mate.
It's not a test. It's not a test.
No. It's a learning session. Come on, we can do this. My name is Paddy Gower.
My name is Paddy Gower.
No. Change your voice to do what she's doing. Don't just do yourself.
This is such a...
Oh, man. This is frustrating.
And I'm all about the news.
And I'm all about the... You said it, hey? I thought you were an accent coach. Help me out here. Could you teach me? I don't know
what accent would you like to learn? What about a bit of Scottish?
Yeah, Scottish.
Scottish. All right, so let's go for a sentence. I've written one down. My name is Paddy Gower.
My name is Paddy Gower. Hey, help me.
Not many get on the first try, do they? Not many get on the first try, mate.
It's not a test. It's not a test.
No. It's a learning session. Come on, we can do this. My name is Paddy Gower.
My name is Paddy Gower.
No. Change your voice to do what she's doing. Don't just do yourself.
This is such a setup.
And I'm all about the news.
And I'm all about the... That's Scottish, isn't it?
The news.
I'm all about the news.
News. Why don't we try Cockney? Maybe that'd be easier.
Cockney, yeah.
Right, okay,
I used to live in the East End.
Hello, my name's Paddy Gower.
Hello, my name's Paddy Gower.
That's not about. Just about.
Okay, just get me out of this.
And I'm all about the news.
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 Do you know what? You're actually doing okay. I'm pretty impressed. You're getting there with it. You're getting there.
You must be an amazing
you want
coach.
to try the South?
Yeah, I'm...
South, come on now. My name's Paddy Gower.
My name's Paddy Gower.
But see, he's a Southerner. I can see that now. My name's Paddy Gower, and I'm all about the news.
What about you? Do you have a favourite accent? Do you have a go-to?
I like to pretend to be like how you say, a French person. So like I am working and I'm like, oh, I'm a little bit lost. Can you help me?
That's very good.
I like to do the French accent. I like a bit of a Geordie accent, Scousey. That's a good one as well.
Yeah. So many dialects in the UK, aren't there? Yeah. You move around the country, yeah.
And I love New York. Like a bit of attitude.
Do you know what I get from quite a lot of actors is they imitate me when I'm interviewing them over in the States, Hollywood actors, and they're terrible at doing the New Zealand accent. And I can't help thinking maybe it's one of the hardest to do. What do you think?
My Kiwi accent, I'm going to get shot now. What I do is that I do a really strong kind of Lynn of Tawa type, because you
like
always
it.
bring it back.
I like it.
Sure.
But, my cousin sounds like this, and she says, hello, here we go. And so, yes, it's quite a squashed accent.
And it goes up at the end. I guess you don't get a lot of
everything's a
clients
question,
coming to you asking to speak like Lynn of Tawa.
Well,
Yeah,
I don't.
actually do like that.
I'm notoriously crap at accents. I don't think you made me any better, but
Oh, I
please
think you
thank.
did.
Oh well,
Yeah, you did.
Thank you. Please thank Sarah Valentine. All right, it is Oscar night, and you've seen